tell us the truth? Okay, I'm giving you. Can you sit down here? Can you start telling us the truth? What you have hidden here and what you were doing? What was your intention? If you don't talk the truth, wait and see.
What I'm telling you, my son.
What is that you are putting there? And what is that you have hidden?
The boy gave me a bottle.
What is that?
I don't know.
What about this one?
This one is
Then what about the one you are explaining for? I will take that case of you. I will step on it.
Leave. Don't.
Please.
Leave her.
Please. I'm Ugandan like you.
Can you explain?
Listen
What were you doing?
I'm going to tell you. This boy came to my home. When he came to my home, first he went to Kampala. When he went to Kampala, he made me to talk to somebody I don't know. He was telling me, when he came, he was saying, okay, they have brought for me something that you go and plan at your brother's Lord. I said, what is that? He said, it is ready in the bottle. When he came to my home, as we talk now, I'm now in a problem.
Have you recorded it when he was telling you?
No, pardon?
Have you recorded what he was telling you?
I let my phone charge. We can go home. I let my phone charge. If I told him, I'm not going with my phone. So when he was telling, in fact, the communication in my phone is going to be there. Because whenever we communicate, I always record. So when he came here, I said, okay, we cannot plant it here. Let us go and plant it under that.
So where have you planted it?
This is where I'm looking for it myself.
Look for it very fast before I reach there. You.
Yes, I will have this problem which is planted. I will not refuse.
It is planted where? It is you who planted it.
Yes, he told me to put it. So I think you have planted something. I'm going to die because I don't know anything. We moved and he said, let us move the other side.
You said you called who?
I am called Lillian Abalo. No.
Abalo Lillian?
Yes, it is me. It is me. Now they are planning to destroy me completely.
So this is your brother's home?
This is my brother-in-law. My husband is the eldest. He died.
Here?
Yes.
So how do you call this Muse?
Chief Justice.
Can you talk the truth?
No, I'm not. I will never lie you.
Let's go.
I try there. But where is the boy? Has he run away?
You are asking us.
You are the one whom we have seen him doing this. Okay?
Please don't beat me.
You are the one whom we saw you doing this.
Come and try this way. This place
You have planted the water in it.
here. You first come and try this place. Yeah, there. First
It
try.
has not even gone far. We didn't reach this far. It is along this place.
Pick it very fast.
God.
Before we